of the energy in there and appear to be in a semi-conscious state. This is the story, Shiv's story that he is narrating. The Sri Chakra and the Panchajaya stirred the energies to him. This is all his story. This is all you write all the shit about the holy man. When he was about to stumble, Brahmachari held Yuji. That's all a made up story. Mahesh later told that he had seen on Yuji's forehead a swelling of the skin in the form of a vertical mark worn by the Vishwamitra himself, the great rishi of India. The swelling had remained for some time, but the duration of his stay in the temple, there was also another mark evident around Yuji's neck in the form of a serpent. Rajan?
Yes, sir.
You are listening to that crap?
Yes, sir.
When asked about the nature of these swelling, Yuji explained that always happens not because of his death,
Yeah.
and the devotion and the devoutness of the yantra, mutual, he goes on describing it.